Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix all basic errors in the Facebook app in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. Then open the Facebook app again. Step 2. Restart the Facebook app. Now close the app completely from recent apps. Wait a few seconds, then open it again. This can fix small glitches and loading problems. Step 3. Restart your phone. Now turn your phone off. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Then try opening Facebook again. Step 4. Update the Facebook app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook and tap update if available. Update fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Reinstall the Facebook app. If the problem continues, uninstall Facebook, restart your phone and install it from the App Store again. Then log back into your account. And that's how you can fix all basic errors in the Facebook app. Also follow those simple steps and your Facebook app should work smoothly again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.